Hello, Stitchers. Ever wondered what to pack for a sewing retreat? Fear no more, I've got you covered. Packing for a sewing retreat can be as intricate as threading a needle in a haystack. But don't let the confusion stress you out. I'm here to unveil the secrets to perfect packing. First, let's address the essentials. Your project materials are the stars of the show, so be sure to pack them first. Next up, your sewing machine. Remember, it's not just a machine, it's your magic wand. And of course, your basic sewing kit. Think of it as your sidekick. Always there to assist you. Don't forget the extension cords, you never know when you'll need an extra reach. And lastly, your personal items. Because let's face it, even superheroes need their comfort items. So, pack your favorite snacks, your cozy blanket, and let's not forget, your enthusiasm. Now that you know what to pack, let's dig a bit deeper. Packing is an art, and yes, it applies to your sewing retreat too. Here's how to do it right. When it comes to packing for a sewing retreat, choosing the right bag is paramount. It's a delicate balance of space and portability. The aim is to fit all your essentials without having to lug around a suitcase. Now let's talk organization. Systematic packing will save you time and frustration. Group similar items together, threads with threads, needles with needles, you get the drift. And here's a golden tip. Label your personal belongings. It's easy to misplace things in a communal setting, so marking them with a simple name label can be a lifesaver. Besides your sewing supplies, pack a variety of projects. It keeps things interesting and provides options if you hit a creative block. And let's not forget about snacks. They're not just for midnight munching, they're also great conversation starters and perfect for sharing. With these packing tips, you're one step closer to a hassle-free sewing retreat. You've packed your bags, but why exactly do you need these items at your retreat? Let's find out. Each item in your bag has a purpose. Your sewing kits, from threads to needles, are your building blocks for creativity. They're like your paint and brush in a vast canvas of possibilities. The variety of projects you bring will allow you to express different aspects of your creativity. They also serve as conversation starters with fellow enthusiasts at the retreat. Who knows, your quilt pattern might just inspire the next big trend, and let's not forget the snacks. Sharing food fosters camaraderie and fuels those late-night sewing sessions, plus, a little sugar rush never hurt anyone, right? Then we have the address labels. They might seem trivial, but in a sea of similar-looking sewing materials, they're your lifesavers. They ensure your items find their way back to you, making sure no thread or needle gets left behind. Being well-prepared does more than just save you from potential mishaps. It enhances your retreat experience, allowing you to focus on learning, sharing, and of course, sewing to your heart's content. Remember, a well-packed bag is your best companion at a sewing retreat. Enjoyed my ultimate guide to packing for a sewing retreat? I sure love sharing it with you. It's always an adventure to plan and prepare for a sewing retreat, isn't it? And, well, speaking of adventures, there's an endless array of them waiting for you right here on this channel. We're all about making the most of your sewing journey, whether you're a seasoned pro or just threading your first needle. That's what we're here for, to share, learn, and grow together in this wonderful world of threads, fabrics, and oh so much creativity. So if you found my tips and tricks handy, imagine what else I've got in store for you. From mastering the art of cross-stitch to understanding the nuances of fabric types, from getting creative with patchwork to making your own clothes, I've got it all covered. And I'm continuously expanding my horizons to bring you the latest trends, techniques, and tips from the sewing world. But how can you ensure you don't miss out on any of this amazing content? It's simple, just hit that subscribe button. Yes, that's right. By subscribing, you'll get first-hand access to my newest videos right when they're fresh out of the oven. It's like having a personal sewing guide right at your fingertips. And guess what? Subscribing is completely free. No hidden charges, no strings attached. It's my way of saying thank you for being a part of this incredible community. After all, it's your love for sewing and your eagerness to learn that keeps me going. I also believe that learning is a two-way street, so I'd love to hear your thoughts, ideas, and experiences too. Have a sewing hack that you swear by, or maybe a funny sewing mishap you'd like to share? I'm all ears. Your insights and stories make this journey all the more enriching and fun. And it's not just about sewing. I also delve into related topics like quilting, embroidery, and even fabric painting, so no matter what your textile-related interests are, I've got something for you. But I'm not stopping there. I'm constantly striving to make our content more engaging, more informative, and more fun. And for that, I need your feedback. Tell me what you like, what you don't, and what you'd like to see more of. I'm all about evolving and improving, and your feedback is the fuel that drives me forward. So, ready to embark on this exciting sewing journey with me? Then don't wait another minute. Hit that subscribe button for more amazing tips and tricks. Now, I'm curious, what's your must-have item for a sewing retreat? A lucky charm perhaps, or a snack that keeps you energized? How about a special tool that you simply can't do without? I can't wait to hear from you. Share in the comments below.